Hello, welcome to this lecture. Introduction to API. We'll see about the introduction. API, Application Programming Interface, is a set of routines, protocols, and tools for building software applications. Basically, an API specifies how software components should interact with each other. API is the acronym for Application Programming Interface, which is the software intermediary that allows two applications to talk each other. When the server is having application server and it requires some other services from another software development web application server, we'll establish a services called to talk each server to communicate with the data. We call it as application programming interface. Each time you use an app like Facebook, send an instant messages or check the weather on your mobile phone using like a API to interacting with the main server. In single web application or using mobile apps, talk with multiple software services. It will use APIs to communicate each other or multiple servers. Most of the mobile phones are using nowadays, which is the Android apps and iPhone apps. These apps are communicating perfectly with the main server to interacting and collecting the information to the using API and collecting the information, and it will be presenting you and displaying in your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.